But I think what is going to happen in the next 5 years, surprisingly, is the dollar will be relinked to gold, and Alexander Hamilton will be smiling again.
Well, some people say, though, that you can't really do that because we have, as you mentioned, let so much into the system as far as dollars. We've flooded the system with dollars that now there's not enough gold to link it back up.
Well, contrary to some perceptions, you don't need a pile of gold to have a gold standard. All you do is look at the price. So let's take $1,700. That seems to be the price right now, give or take a couple of hundred.
Right.
And so let's say you link it at 1,700. So if it goes much above 1,700, everyone knows you'll tighten. If it goes much below 1,700, everyone knows you'll ease. So it's just a marker. It's like having 16 ounces in a pound. We're not going to run out of ounces or pounds. It's simply a measure of value. And if you keep it within a narrow range, it works. Not perfect, but it's the best thing we have in this world.
So rather than trying to, base the dollar on actually having the gold to back it up, it's really just linking it up.
No, and for example, just to give you a little factoid, between 1775, when our revolution began, in 1900, the amount of gold mined in the world went up 3.5-fold. The money supply in the U.S. went up about 160-fold. So it doesn't, in fact, the gold standard properly done is both flexible and stable. Flexible to give you the money you need to meet the organic needs of the economy, and stable in value.
Would it be smoother to take a basket of metals rather than just the one gold?
Well, other metals are used for purposes. Copper used to be used for wire. Silver has its own uses. Gold is the one commodity which is plentiful enough, but not too plentiful, that has intrinsic stable value over time. So why muck it up? Why make it more complicated? Go with the real deal.